Now look what we've got here. It's the thing. It's the thing people are looking for at the minute. It is... There we go, zoom back because we can actually see it properly. It is proper KFC, popcorn, chicken popcorn. You've got the kernel everywhere. Is there any more kernels? No more kernels. It's vegan and all these things. So I thought I'd give you a review. Yeah. So I don't mind popcorn. I'm not the hugest fan of popcorn, but I like chicken and I like KFC. So yeah, and we got to crack this one open. We are indeed. So, but before that, I need to ask for subscribe, like, share, comment, follow, share, comment, stuff. Got that? Good. Open time. Can't open it, arm's length. We got it open. So the popcorn looks like popcorn, in case you hadn't seen popcorn. And smell. It smells quite popcorny. There isn't a strong aroma of herbs and spices, because obviously you know that KFC follow, was it like 3 guys named Herb and 5 the Spice Girls, something like that, on can't remember if it's on Instagram or formerly known as Twitter, but it's one of them, or maybe both. So yeah, let's grab some. There it is in all of its glory. Let's go. Oh. Okay. It does have the coating flavour to it. Obviously it's not quite as strong as the chicken has, because there's much more on it. But yeah, not bad. A bit of a change from like salty. Very much a change from sweet or caramel or something like that. But yeah, this is going to disappear. Not quite disappear in front of your eyes, but it's definitely going to disappear. So apologies for the mouthful. Thanks for watching. Videos every day. They're around here as well from the past. And I'll see you soon. Ta-ta.